And now viewers, a heavy fog has engulfed Delhi and parts of NCR, bringing visibility down to dangerously low levels. And at the same time, air quality across the region has worsened significantly, with the several areas now recording severe AQI levels, which is above 400. In fact, we're getting you visuals from this morning on your screen, and you can see high pollution levels have essentially reduced the visibility to dangerously low levels. Barely anything, in fact, is visible at this point. Now, when we talk about figures we're getting this morning, overall AQI of Delhi as of 6 a.m. today stands at 405, which is in the severe category. In Anand Vihar, the air quality index has now surged to 462, again categorized as severe. Neighbouring Noida Sector 125 has also recorded an alarming AQI of 414, remaining in the severe category. Now viewers, in Delhi's border areas, Wazirpur again has recorded an AQI of 444, while Chandni Chowk stands at 426, both under severe pollution levels. But Padganj has also touched 434, adding to the growing concern. Meanwhile, in South Delhi, JLN Stadium has also recorded an AQI of 414. City Fort, meanwhile, stands at 428, both in the severe range again. ITO has reported an AQI of 405, continuing the severe pollution trend across the capital. For viewers, major hotspots today morning recording AQI level above 400 across Delhi NCR. So in the view of the dense fog and the severe cold, a major decision has now been taken regarding schools in Gautam Budh Nagar, and on the directions of district administration, the district basic education officer of Gautam Budh Nagar has now issued an order declaring holidays in all board-recognized schools across the district. Viewers, according to the order, all CBSE, ICSE, UP board and other recognized schools in the district will remain closed from today. In fact, that's 29th of December to about 1st of January, and this is for classes nursery until 12th. Now, the decision, in fact, has been taken to ensure the safety of students amid a dense fog and extreme cold conditions. However, the order clearly states that the teachers and the staff of the council-run, aided and government schools will be required to report to schools at the scheduled time, and administrative work will continue as usual.